In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your account from the game for a fresh start, or if you wish to switch between different login platforms. Whether you're changing your account settings or just need a reset, I'll guide you through the steps to do this quickly and effortlessly. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up the game on your device. Once it's loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a 3 bars icon, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap that icon. This will open up a menu of options for you. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This section is typically your gateway to manage various aspects of the game, including your account details. Within the Settings menu, look for either Manage Account or Connect Account. The name might differ slightly depending on whether you're using an Android, iOS, or another platform, but don't worry, it serves the same purpose. It helps guide you through account-related configurations. Upon navigating into the account management area, you'll see the platform you initially used to log into the game. This could be options like Facebook, your Apple ID, or Google Play, depending on how you originally set up your account. Right next to the platform you used, you should see the option to disconnect. Tap on the disconnect button to proceed with unlinking your account from that specific platform. Now at this point, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. It's important to consider this step carefully, as confirming the disconnect will effectively reset your connection with the game on this platform. If you're sure about disconnecting, go ahead and confirm the action. Once you've confirmed, the game will reset and present you with a login or guest screen. This is quite similar to how it appears when you first download the game. From here, you have the choice to log in again using a different account or to continue as a guest if that's your preference at the moment. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected your account from the game. Whether you needed a fresh start or wanted to log in from a different platform, these straightforward steps have unlocked that flexibility for you. Remember that anything done here can be undone, meaning you can always reconnect a different or the same account later to continue your gaming adventure. Don't hesitate to revisit these instructions whenever you need to swap accounts or tackle any login challenges you might face. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!